In this demo, we're going to look at a pendulum undergoing simple harmonic motion. So here's this mass that's connected by this string here. So if we pull on this mass and let go, it will swing back and forth in a simple harmonic fashion. If we think about the forces involved, so this mass is being held up by the string, so there's a tension here, as well as it has a weight. Force of gravity is acting down. So those are the two forces at play. When it's out here, there's a net force trying to push the mass that way, and when it's out here, it reverses, and so that's why you'll see it swinging back and forth. So we'll pull it out here and let go, and then you'll see this is undergoing simple harmonic motion. It goes back and forth, and one thing you'll notice is the time that it takes to go to that side and come back, and that period, or you can think of it in terms of a frequency. That time is important, and it depends on gravity as well as this length of the string. So this particular length is 1 meter, so you can work out what the frequency should be for this mass. The other thing you can do with the pendulum is you can understand the acceleration due to gravity. So you can take a pendulum to, say, the moon and measure the acceleration due to gravity of the moon based on how long it takes to swing back and forth and the length of the string. So this demonstration is to show simple harmonic motion in a pendulum.